What's the difference between Microsoft 365 and Office 2021 one-time license? When it comes to Microsoft Office, business owners usually ask the same question. Why do I need to pay for Microsoft 365 every month when I can just buy Office once? On the surface, it looks like one is a subscription and one is a one-time purchase. But really, they're built for very different needs. Let's start with Office 2021. This is the classic option. You buy the software once, install it on your computer, and it's yours. No monthly bills, no subscription. You get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and depending on the edition, maybe Outlook. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. With Office 2021, what you buy is what you get, forever. That means no new features, no new tools, and limited updates. You'll get basic security patches, but you won't get the constant improvements Microsoft is releasing for 365 users. Now, let's talk about Microsoft 365. This is the subscription version where you pay monthly or yearly. At first glance, it looks more expensive, but here's why Microsoft offers it. With 365, you're not just buying Word and Excel outright, you're buying an evolving service. With Microsoft 365, you always have the latest version of the Office apps, plus extras like Teams, OneDrive cloud storage, SharePoint, and advanced security features. Updates roll out regularly, so you're always using the most current tools. It's designed for modern, collaborative work. Multiple people editing the same document in real time, files syncing across devices, video meetings through Teams, and built-in cybersecurity protections. So what's the real difference? Office 2021 is a one-time purchase with no upgrades. Microsoft 365 is a subscription that gives you ongoing updates, cloud tools, collaboration, and security. One is a snapshot in time, and the other is a living service. Which one makes sense for your business? Office 2021 might work if you're a very small business with only 1 or 2 employees, and you don't necessarily care about cloud storage or collaboration tools, and you're fine with sticking with the same software for years without updates. But if you have multiple employees who need to collaborate, want files synced across laptops, phones, and tablets, and want regular updates with built-in security, Microsoft 365 is the smarter choice. It also gives you predictable monthly costs and scalability. Add or remove licenses as your team grows. Microsoft 365 is built for modern businesses. The cloud storage, collaboration, and security features aren't extras. They're the tools that keep your business competitive, especially if your employees work remotely or share files constantly. Office 2021 looks cheaper up front, but it's limited. In 3 years, when it's outdated and missing features your competitors are using, you'll be right back to buying again, while 365 users are quietly getting updates in the background. To learn more about tailored IT services for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. And if you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.